Tired of calculating determinants by hand? Your CASIO fx-991EX solves it lightning fast. The definitive guide to conquering matrices. Watch now. Don't miss the final tip that almost no one knows. Without a calculator, a 3x3 determinant takes you over 5 minutes, and if you mess up just one sign, say goodbye to your grade. But with this scientific calculator, it's done in 3 seconds. Want to know how? Hit like and keep watching. To enter the matrix, make the following adjustments. Choose Mat A, Mat B, Mat C. This is a 3-row matrix with 3 columns. Finding the determinant? Here's how. Getting an error? It might be because your matrix isn't square. Determinants only exist for 2x2, 3x3, etc. matrices. Would you like a tutorial on non-square matrices? Comment yes or no. If this video saved you from an algebra problem, hit like, share with that friend who's still struggling, and subscribe for more tricks. See you in the next video.